Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Jabra Solemate speaker with your MacBook. Okay, so first of all, there's quick information that when I enter the pairing mode in this device, unfortunately I will be not able to decrease the volume level of the music that will comes from the speaker. So you will have to basically turn the volume to hear my voice. So yeah, when we grab the speaker like that, we can find the slider right here and we have to move it to the on, turn it on, and then to activate the pairing mode we have to move this button to the Bluetooth icon and hold it until we hear that annoying sound.
Go ahead and connect me. Connection cancelled.
Okay, never mind, one more time. I just misclick.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
Right now we have to go for the Bluetooth on our MacBook. Enable Bluetooth with the switcher. Go for the Bluetooth settings. And go for the nearby devices right here and just take a look under the speaker pops on the list.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone. Solemate is connected.
Okay, and for some reason this speaker in my MacBook appears at the headset. So I don't know how it looks in your case, but in my case that was announced at the headset, and when I click on the connect button we just finally connected. So maybe it will be useful for you and helpful, but yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.